Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you stay till the very end where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. We got a great episode today. Today's Tuesday, so it's Taco Tuesday. I'm going to take some leftovers from last night's dinner and make some tacos. This is what we had for dinner last night. We had a lovely roast pork. Put a little bit of applesauce on it. It was a beautiful roast. Very moist and juicy, so I'm going to try to maintain the juiciness in the pork when I make my tacos with it. You can see we had some nice mashed potatoes, a nice pork gravy on the mashed potatoes. Just a fantastic dinner, and we had tons of leftovers. So today I'm going to make some roasted pork tacos with a pineapple salsa, grilled pineapples. And I'll probably use some of the grilled pineapples in my taco salad. So I'm very excited about this. But of course, first up, we're going to make a drink. Today, I got a Miami Vice. It's a beautiful, beautiful looking drink here. I blended 3 different drinks. On the bottom, I have a frozen strawberry daiquiri. In the middle, I have a frozen Pina Colada. And on the top, I have a frozen blended, slightly melted blue Hawaii. I'll put up the recipe to all 3 of these drinks, which I combined into one to make a Miami Vice. All 3 of these drinks I blended in a blender. The bottom layer, frozen daiquiri, I used a cup of fresh strawberries, an ounce of white rum, a half ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, and a half ounce of simple syrup, or sometimes I use a half ounce of just the store-bought strawberry daiquiri mix, whatever you have on hand. All right, and then the middle layer, I have a frozen blended Pina Colada. So this I just used pineapple juice, light rum, and then I had my secret ingredient. I actually obtained this secret Pina Colada ingredient from Bloody Mary's in Bora. They use this in their Pina Coladas, and the secret ingredient, drum roll please, is coconut ice cream. So basically, just chuck about 3 ounces of pineapple juice, an ounce of light rum, and 2 scoops of coconut ice cream, and blend it up, and that is your Bloody Mary's Pina Colada from Bora. And then the top of my Miami Vice. Now, a lot of Miami Vices that I got actually in Miami, they were just the Pina Colada and strawberry daiquiri, but it looks so much better and more presentable when you put the frozen blue Hawaii on top. And so the recipe for my frozen blue Hawaii is 3/4 ounce of vodka, 3/4 ounce of light rum, a half ounce of blue curacao, 3 ounces of pineapple juice, an ounce of sweet and sour mix, and then just blend it with ice. And that, my friends, is my Miami Vice to go with my tacos that I'm going to show you how to prepare. As I said, that pork was super moist. I want to keep it that way. So instead of frying it or grilling it to reheat it, I'm just going to cube it and put it gently, reheat it in chicken stock or chicken broth. And it's going to be super juicy in my tacos with the grilled pineapple salsa. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to watch for my little dog at the end of the video. All right, I'm just going to do a quick pickle to go with my grilled pineapple salsa. I'm just going to pickle the, do the quick pickle on the red onion or purple onion here. Now, because it's a quick pickle, this is only going to last in the fridge for 2 weeks to a month. So, basically I'm going to coat it in sea salt and let all the liquid draw out of the purple onion. After I draw the liquid out, I'm going to rinse off the salt, and then I have some pepperoncini, leftover pepperoncini liquid. I'm going to heat that up on the stove and steep them in the hot pickling liquid. And that'll be my quick pickle for my grilled pineapple salsa. So my purple onions have been sitting in this salt for 2.5 hours. You can see all the liquid that was drawn out of those onions. That's just going to help the pickling process and give it a nice concentrated flavor, as well as get that pungent onion taste out. It'll be a much milder tasting onion, and then you'll get the nice pickle taste as well. And it'll actually add as a seasoning, so you don't actually have to put as much salt in the salsa. I'm just rinsing the excess salt off of there. I got some fresh water. I put like a ton of sea salt on there, so you want to get some of that sodium off of there. All right, and then I'm going to get my steeping liquid. That's just the brine from the pepperoncinis, which is spicy but not overly hot. So, and I don't want to boil or cook them. I just want to heat it up so it'll get a nice sort of, basically I'm steeping it like you would tea. And then once it gets hot, and again not boiling, I'll just put it back in the jar and put it in the fridge. And I definitely won't use all of this in my salsa, so I'll have some leftovers, and they go great on burgers, or if you wanted to do like a Greek salad, it would be amazing in a Greek salad. All right, so I'm just gonna get that in the fridge until it gets cold, and then if you wanted to do it like a few days in advance, it would taste better. All right, I'm just going to cube up this roasted pork. It was just in the fridge overnight, so it's cold. So we just need to find a way to reheat it. This is actually a technique that I use like for Christmas dinner or when you're cooking a turkey and you want to reheat the turkey without drying it out. So you just gently poach it, or not even poach it, just warm it through in chicken stock, and that way you don't dry out your turkey. So that's a great trick for Christmas dinner if you want to cook your turkey, let it rest, and then carve it, and then usually like the gravy heats it up enough. But if you want like a nice moist warm turkey slice for your Christmas dinner, this is the way to go, that you're not going to dry it out. So I'm just going to do that with this lovely roasted pork, which again last night was nice and juicy. It was nice and juicy, perfectly cooked. So I don't want to lose any of those juices or the moistness of the pork. So I'm just going to place it into some of actually my homemade chicken stock. I do a nice bone broth, and we're just gonna bring it up to temperature, and then we're gonna have some nice warm cubed roasted pork for my tacos. So there's my chicken stock, or bone broth actually. Got a nice. I made it from a nice chicken carcass. All right, we'll just get that heated up, and then we'll plate my tacos. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar, Taco Tuesday edition. Make sure you hit that notification bell. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.